Hi guys, my name is Andrei and welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we'll be making our favorite Spanish bread. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kusina Corner. The list of ingredients will also be listed on the description box below. So let's start! To make Spanish bread, we need 3½ cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 7 to 8 grams yeast, 2/3 cups warm fresh milk,
2/3 cups of water,
and 60 grams melted butter. To start, combine all your dry ingredients and give it a mix and set this aside. Followed by the wet ingredients. Make sure that it's warm or room temperature. Give this a mix as well. For a much easier life, we will use a stand mixer, but you can do this process by hand as well. Use your hook attachment to knead the dough.
Then start kneading your dry ingredients for a minute or two.
Then slowly add your wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Knead this for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the dough is smooth and elastic. You can adjust the speed of your mixer from slow to medium speed. Now that it's done, you can now remove your hook attachment.
In a separate bowl, add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Then lightly knead your dough and place it in your bowl. Cover it with a cling wrap or tea towel. And place your dough in a warm place and proof or rise this for 1 hour or till the sides double up. While waiting for your dough, let's start to work on the filling. We need 1/2 cup softened butter, 1 cup sugar, and 1/4 cup breadcrumbs. You can start by creaming the butter. By the way, you can do this process by using a mixer or do it manually by a whisk. Then gradually add sugar. followed by the breadcrumbs. And scrape your filling occasionally, especially when it's sticking on the sides of your bowl. Mix it till everything is well incorporated. Give it a little mix again and set it aside. Now that our dough is ready just like this, let's start by removing the wrap and just punch the air out of your dough. Lightly knead your dough and cut it into two.
Set the other one aside. Now form your dough into a log and cut it to your desired size, or use your food scale if you want the size to be all the same. Now form it into a ball. Using the rolling pin or by hand, flatten the dough. Add the filling. Then roll the dough, seal it, and roll onto the breadcrumbs. Just like this. Then place it onto your baking pan. Make sure to line your baking pan with parchment paper. Just to show you one more time, let's do it again. Flatten, fill, and roll. When it's done, cover it with tea towel. Then proof or rise it again for another 30 minutes. Reheat your oven to 180 degrees, then bake it for 15 minutes. Place it in a cooling rack. And it's ready to serve. Super soft and yummy Spanish bread. Thank you for watching. Hope you give this a try. Please fire us some likes and don't forget to share and subscribe.